Surprisingly, there's only one thing that I did not use, which I'm very, very proud of myself for. I am so excited. I literally can't believe that the day is finally here that I get to pack for the Women of Color Wellness Era retreat that I've been working on with my girl Yanelsa for almost a year now. We've had this idea for over a year. I'm going to show you everything I'm going to pack, and then as always I'm going to show you everything that I took at the end and that I didn't actually wear, along with the outfits that I wore in the destination and how I wore them. So let's go. To start off, obviously, I have to show you the backpack I'm going to take. You may have seen this in other videos, but my Venture Pal 40-liter backpack is literally my savior, my go-to. I use it all the time. It's going to be linked in the description below. I will say my one biggest complaint with it is that it doesn't have a bottom strap, which honestly, as you get a little older, you start to realize that you do need something to help with the support aside from just your shoulders, because then my shoulders get tired and I definitely feel like I need more support on the lower part to really kind of even it out. But well, what can we do, right? But I love that this backpack is super lightweight, that literally it's like almost nothing, that there's times when I do take a carry-on or a suitcase or anything like that, that this I can wrap up, make it really nice and small. It doesn't take up almost any space and barely adds any weight. But yeah, this is the backpack I will be taking for this trip. So let's go ahead and see what I'm actually going to put in it. This is everything I'm going to be taking with me. As you can see, I'm taking a few things to cover myself up when it gets chilly in the evenings. I have a battery pack, that's always a necessity. Definitely need a charge, a brush, an adapter, some Costa Rican money that I have from a previous trip, some makeup, pajamas, 3 shirts, I'm not taking too many, a bucket hat for the sun. I'm taking 1, 2, 3 bathing suits. Then for the bottoms, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4 bottoms. We're doing this really cool photo like before and after, so I'm taking 2 dresses that will only be used for that and some workout clothes. 3 pairs of shoes are more than enough for a week away. Sneakers are definitely needed, some cute sandals to walk around, and then some flip-flops. This is a short trip and the weather is also supposed to be not that bad while we're there, so I knew that I wasn't going to be taking that much stuff. Although from what you saw, it is kind of a bit, and I know that I can mix and match a lot of things and make way more than just the 7 outfits that I'll need during my time there. But I like having options, and if I obviously have the space, then why not, right? So I fit pretty much almost everything into this packing cube. All of the shirts, the pants, except for 1 skirt, and the throws, which I'll just have to put into the bag separately. But all my underwear, bras that I'm going to be using, as well as my bucket hat, was all able to fit into this one packing cube, which I know will fit very easily into the backpack, occupying a large majority of it, but that's okay because it's only really one. Something pictured not pictured here is my laptop, which I almost never travel without, and that is definitely something I'm going to be bringing with me. So socks didn't make it in, but it's okay, they barely occupy space, so it's all good. This, my backpack, which will be in the back, along with the other sports bra, skirt, and bathing suit. And then from here, I just have my sneakers, which I'm going to wear, that I showed you, my sandals that are going to go on the side, and then just toiletry things that will go in the front. And this will be my backpack for the week. Is it too much? Is it too little? Let me know in the comments. And when I come back, I'm going to show you everything that I didn't end up using during this time, which I'm hoping is very little because, like I said, not many days. And I kind of want to change up the outfits to get some content while I'm there, because the property that we're going to be staying at is absolutely beautiful. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for that next video where I go over the whole retreat experience and show you all of the things that we did, as well as what we had in store for our attendees. So stay tuned. Just got back from Costa Rica a day ago. I did not want to unpack, and so here I am finally about to show you everything that I took but did not wear, and the extra little goodies that obviously I brought back with me, right? Because it was a retreat I was co-hosting, and so obviously there were goodies. So surprisingly, there's only one thing that I did not use, which I'm very, very proud of myself for, and it was just a bathing suit. I took 3 bathing suits, being overly ambitious, thinking I'm gonna be in the pool all the time. But honestly, we had so many activities that when I did rest, sometimes I just rested in whatever I was wearing in that moment and just didn't really change into a bathing suit. There are some things that I wish that I did take, like maybe more flowy dresses or a skirt that last minute I actually took out because it was almost not closing. And I'm like, okay, I just need to, get rid of that. But yeah, so this was the only thing I took that I didn't use. And now for the things that I took, or that I didn't take, but that I brought back with me. This beautiful tote that we made for all of our attendees. It was so cute. Everybody was just using it all around the property, and it was so cute to know, like, something that's ours, my logo on it and everything. The other thing that we also gave our attendees were journals, because obviously this was a wellness retreat, and so we wanted people to write down what they were thinking, what they were feeling, everything like that, and of course branded as well with the pen. Something that I brought that I didn't actually, is because I didn't actually eat it while I was there, was a cookie. They literally would give us a cookie every single night during turn down service. I didn't even know what turn down service was, where it's like they kind of remake your bed at the end of the day. They put on like a candle, or they like make it really nice smelling, and they leave you a cookie post dessert. Like we would have dessert plus a cookie. And the one other thing that I brought that isn't mine to keep forever, but one of the attendees was reading this book, Cultura y Cash. So she finished it, and I was like, oh, can I read it? And I was like gonna try and read it in 2-3 days. Well, obviously, that didn't happen. So she was like, you can keep it and continue reading it. I'm about halfway done, so I'm so excited. And then I will be returning this to her, but yeah, this was something else that I was carrying with me when I was coming back. So I'm very surprised with myself. I did already have to take a few things out to kind of get to this stuff, but anyway, that I was actually pretty good and used everything that I took. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos, whether it's packing or the destination. I'm going to be doing the Women of Color Wellness Era Retreat, the experience, as my next video, so you definitely don't want to miss that. So make sure to hit like and subscribe. See you soon.